Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to stop your iPhone from dimming. This is going to be a quick fix on how to fix that, and I myself I'm annoyed when it comes to that feature, the auto brightness. So here, let's just do a recap. So you'll go to your settings, accessibility, from there you go to display and text size. From there, scroll down until you find your auto brightness. If it's marked as color green, then it's on. So you want to turn that off basically. So like this. So there you go. That's how you stop your iPhone from dimming randomly in random places at random times. And I also get that when I used to first use an iPhone and it would usually just dim out of nowhere. And now this is how you fix it. So I also recently discovered this when I was using iPhone, but right now I have fixed it. So I hope this fixes your issue when it comes to your iPhone dimming. So there you go guys, and that's how you do it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.